What is your full name?
Aditya Basu,
What is your mother's name?
Ratna Basu,
What is your father's name?
Devalaya Basu.
What is the you're wearing in a t-shirt?
It's an embroidered t-shirt.
What are you drinking?
It's vodka with juice.
What lens are you wearing? What is your power?
Power is maybe minus 3 point something.
Okay, what do you do in life?
I chill.
What is your ambition in life?
To chill.
How much money do you want to make in life?
Enough to chill.
How many women do you want to have in life?
Again, enough to chill. Same.
Why don't you give intelligent answers when asked?
Simple answers are better.
India needs the right answer.
Answer.
Figures, stats.
Yeah.
Figure stats. Yes, of course.
Women.
What's your height?
5'6",
What's your weight?
73.
How many kilometers can you walk without drinking water?
Without drinking water. I can walk. I can walk about 10 kilometers.
What about with rum or whiskey?
From my house to Silk Board. That's it.
You can walk without drinking water.
Yeah, from my house to Silk Board.
Okay. So how many bottles? What is the maximum you ever had consumption of alcohol you had in a day?
1 bottle. Can't do more than that.
Okay. So you had one full bottle.
I told you. No?
When was this?
I don't remember. Are you deaf? I had one whole
No.
bottle.
This in this questionnaire only I ask questions. You just answer.
I'm answering. Are you deaf? I had one whole bottle.
Okay. When when is the first time you had alcohol in life?
When I was 13.
When is the first time you had weed?
When I was in second year. So that is what, like, how old were we? Whatever. Second
When is the
year.
first time you had a cigarette?
Second year.
When is the first time you shaved?
Shaving in school, not passing out of school only. School only.
When is the first time you had a hard on?
I think when I was 9.
Who did you have a hard on for?
Dimple Kapadia.
Who's the real person you had a hard on for?
Real person? Dimple Kapadia is a real person.
Real person that you knew in person.
In person. That is Neelam Pandya.
Okay, Neelam Pandya. How old was she?
She was about 25 years.
How old were you?
I was 14.
Who is Neelam Pandya?
Biology teacher in Akshar classes.
So you actually had a hard on for a teacher. How many of you in the class had a hard on?
No, that first time hard on her. That was me.
So in your class you were the first person to have a hard on for her.
Yeah, I think other people would have had for other women.
So you didn't discuss it among yourselves.
Yeah, we discussed. People are not honest.
So you didn't feel weird. Oh shit, something in between my VV is suddenly become hard. What is wrong with me?
No, it's become hard before that also.
That's all. Who is it for?
Dimple Kapadia.
Okay, so when it happened for Dimple Kapadia, did you have a big question mark in your head?
No, she didn't go the whole way.
No. So did you have a big question mark in your head when you had a hard on? When you saw Dimple Kapadia when you were a kid, when you were 9 years old?
No, I just knew it.
You knew totally what it is about.
I just knew lovemaking.
At 9 years old.
Yeah, but
So
how
did you wank
babies
off?
come, I don't know. No, because I didn't know how babies come, and I didn't wank off. What the
So did you get a wet dream?
So many times, man.
When is the first time you got a wet dream?
What is that? What is that English serial, man? I think I saw Santa Barbara or something like that.
When was the last
You
time?
you got a wet dream for Santa Barbara.
There was some scene.
So did they show cleavage? Did they show boobs? Did they show anything else? Any other private parts?
No, man. There was this lady who was walking around in a swimsuit. Now I'm saying lady because now I'm old.
So otherwise, when you're a kid, what is it? Girl.
No. One sexy fucking thing, man. Not even a girl, woman. I won't classify one.
So when you're a kid, what was your first? Where did you look at? Did you look at the breasts? Did you look at the hips? Did you look at the feet?
No, I imagine lovemaking.
Suddenly, you knew what lovemaking was about.
Yeah.
And what
maybe.
position was it?
No, lovemaking. What position?
Was it missionary position? Was it doggy style?
Lovemaking is not any
That's
position.
it.
Of course.
No, lovemaking is lovemaking.
Okay. So Adi, how old are you?